Expensive software is a thing of the past. AI tools are taking over. ChatGPT writes emails instantly. Claude generates reports quickly. Midjourney creates art in seconds. DALL-E designs logos easily. Canva makes graphic design simple. Notion AI organizes tasks efficiently. ElevenLabs voices audiobooks perfectly. Runway edits videos seamlessly. Perplexity answers questions accurately. Leonardo AI builds websites fast. These tools save time and money. Let's count down the top tools. 10. Canva, for social media graphics. 9. Notion AI, for workflow automation. 8. DALL-E, for custom illustrations. 7. Midjourney, for AI-generated art. 6. Runway, for video editing tasks. 5. Perplexity, for research assistance. 4. ElevenLabs, for voiceovers and podcasts. 3. Leonardo AI, for web development needs. 2. Claude, for content creation help. 1. ChatGPT, for instant writing help. These AI tools are game changers. Try them out today and save money. Replace expensive software with AI tools. It's time to upgrade your workflow. This is part 3 of the free AI tools series. Subscribe to catch part 4 and learn more. Stay ahead of the curve with AI tools. Don't miss out on the latest updates. Subscribe now and join the AI revolution.